So how do we actually play two-player on FC26 on our Nintendo Switch 1 or Switch 2? So the first thing we need to do is that we need to exit our FC26 here, and you do so by clicking on the home button on the controller that is connected to your Nintendo Switch here. And then what we need to do, I'm just going to show you, we need to go to the controller icon here and click on it. And then in here, click on change grip and order. So now obviously I already have one controller connected here, you can see, so just click on this button and this button on the controller that is already connected, and you will see one of the controllers here. Now the other controller, I'm going to just click on this button here, so it can actually start looking for that controller. So you can see it's going to start looking for it now, and now this one is also connected. So now I have two controllers connected, which is perfect. Now click on the home button here once again, go back to FC26 here, and then we can click on kickoff as an example. And I'm just gonna fast forward this. And then we can have, for example, competitive gameplay. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. I'm just gonna click on classic match. And you can see, perfect, now I have two controllers. So one of the controller, I'm just gonna click on the left here, and the other one, you can either play together as you can see, or play against each other by just clicking to the right here instead. And you can see one of the controllers is gonna be on the home team, and one of the controllers is gonna be on the away team. And then you should be able to play two players. You just have to have two controllers connected to your FC26 here, as you can see, or rather to your Nintendo Switch. And then you should be able to play together. So that is basically exactly how to actually play two-player on your Nintendo Switch 1 or 2 on FC26.